through the flood. When you will do something, we call it the golden circle. One power, one joy, and one love. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are presenting to you Twitter in the house, Twitter City. Golden circle. Yeah. So easy because it takes years of practice. A strong bonding. What a beautiful start that was serving on the dolphin. That was famous singing to you. Hey brother, I love it. It was awesome. And now, get ready for the signature move of Taylor Elia. Look up everybody. We call it the final countdown. Take a nice video. Take a nice picture. We're ready to reload. Ready to fire. We're good to go. Wow.